Guys, why we need to go more on as in healthy parts as long as soup is concerned? Why we need to go more on, okra soup and ogbono soup? Guys, if you don't know, kindly be the first to click on this video. I'm gonna tell you why you need to be going more on okra soup, ogbono soup, as long as soup is concerned. Guys, I put up a video here based on how I prepare my ogbono soup in a healthy path. So if you don't know, today we are making okra soup, and if you don't know why you need to go more on cooking okra soup instead of focusing on other soups, guys, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end, and the healthy part of it we're gonna tell you. So but before we dive into that, guys, let's kindly view nature, because despite that we are talking about eating healthy and staying healthy, did you usually move about, view things, especially now that weather is intense? Guys, we are all in the beach chilling. Guys, why? Because weather is very very hot. Instead of you staying at home lamenting, you better go there. So let's dive into this and proceed. So I'm gonna show you all the ingredients we have as long as cooking okra soup is a concern. Guys, why I like about myself is the way I present my things, because they said eyes will feature before the mouth. So guys, my presentation is intense as well, so kindly present your stuff like this. You're gonna definitely like what you are cooking. After cooking it, you're gonna definitely even love it and eat it more. Why? Because everything look neat and healthy. So let's dive into this. First thing first, for those that don't know how to cook ogbono soup, or I mean okra soup, we're gonna review to you on how to go about that. Okra soup is the most easiest soup you can prepare yourself. Only what takes time in terms of cooking okra is cutting your okra, but there are other ways and appliances you can use to make it go so very very easy. Number one is your grater. Okay, let's just forget about that one. Oof, as in started cooking proper. First thing first, use your red oil, because some people don't know the oil to use whenever they are cooking their soup. Guys, this thing shouldn't enter here. Why? Because I just want to combine ogbono soup and okra soup. I just want to put little ogbono so that it can make my okra thicken a bit. So first thing first, I add my red oil here. Second of all, I add my little ogbono here. So I still add my blended onions, my blended bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, that's the list of what I added in this okra. So I add my maggi, add my crayfish still, and then wait to add my okra. So I've added my okra now. So I just want to stir fry my okra. I don't just want to add it and start adding water. I want it to be strong a bit, because okra goes so soft whenever you start cooking it immediately. So what did I do? I just want to use bitter leaf here. I don't want to go for epina, because once you use your epina, it stay for so long, it's gonna become so soft, which you're not gonna like it whenever you are eating your okra soup. So I just try using bitter leaf today. So what did I do before adding my bitter leaf? I feel like my bitter leaf seems so strong. I cooked it with potash, allow it to become soft. So I've added it here. So that's it. To cook okra is not a difficult thing. So guys, I added salt because okra doesn't require much ingredients, only crayfish, meat and fish. So the next thing I want to add here is my ogili okpengu. This ogili okpengu made with castor oil, so it bring out the taste and aroma whenever you use it in your soup. So it's not all the soup you use it, but I prefer using it in my ogbono and okra soup. So look at how our soup looked. Isn't this not looking yummy and delicious, healthy? So let's go further to talk about the healthy part why you need to be eating okra soup. Guys, okra soup helps you in terms of bone. It can make your bone strong. It helps you for nourishing your body, helps you look sweet 16 because it's in categories of veggies. So that's why you need to focus more on healthy part of the soup. It's not all the time you are cooking. It's true you cook other soup, but mainly focus on the healthy part. I think is preferable instead of you cooking anyhow soup. Guys, what we are talking about is healthy part, as in things that can make us greater even when we did not apply cream. So the second thing here, that using as in cooking okra soup, you can use it to eat several kinds of food. Like you can use it to eat yam, you can use it to eat agidi, you can use it to eat fufu, likewise rice. And the good thing about it is that it's very very healthy. Why? Because what you are eating is veggies, and also the ingredients you use to cook it. Like, I don't like using red meat to cook my okra. Rather, I prefer using chicken, fish and crayfish. All those ones are healthy. So you need to know. That's why the okra comes in categories of veggies, but you need to also know the healthy stuffs to use to cook it so that everything will become healthy. So our okra soup is done. I just want to explain it very very well. So for those that have never know the kind of ingredients you use and why they need to be cooking okra, should know. Okay guys, we are done cooking our okra. The next thing to do is to make our semo. You can make semovita, pounded yam, it depends, or coca oat, blended coca oat. They are all part of semovita. So when you do, go more on healthy stuff, guys. E get why is because e gonna build your body inside out. Likewise, ogbono is also good. You can go and watch the video of ogbono I dropped here, as in like few days ago. Guys, learn how to cook up, or as in focus on all these ones. You're gonna definitely thank me. You're gonna see as in a change on your body. All this healthy food I eat helps my skin grow. Even when I did not try applying clean, I will notice that my skin is growing and I'm feeling good from inside out. But like as I said, we are not making a health claims. We go with the experience we had based on the kind of food we are eating and is bettering us. So try this and thank me later. So guys, not only that you eat healthy and stay healthy, I putting up a video here based on going outside, taking a workout. That's also because when you take a workout, it refreshes you, it makes you stay healthy as well. So that's why I usually put up all these videos. Please let me know what you think about this video. Thanks.